When you turn on your computer, startup applications and processes start up automatically. This is required because they offer a number of functions such as system maintenance, background services, and quick access to frequently used programs. But too much of this is bad because they have negative effects on your computer speed and booting time. So check out how to resolve this issue. So you go to Startup menu and click on Settings. So we're going to Apps and we'll click on Startup. You can toggle between the buttons here, either on or off. This is the first way to do this. Secondly, the other way is press Ctrl, Shift and Escape on your keyboard to access the Task Manager. On the menu, go to Startup. Now, click on the application you want to disable. Then click on Disable. Correct. That's how to resolve this issue. We sincerely hope you found this tutorial to be useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.